Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove fences from images with 3 simple steps. We are going to do it as natural as it is possible. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Make a new layer on top of your main image layer. Because always we are going to save original ones. We are going to select fence areas with brushing. It means that we are going to draw lines on fences. Select brush tool. Choose hard round brush from the top bar. Start drawing on fence, from top. You need to draw very carefully and completely straight. For drawing straight line, and also drawing faster, you can tap first of your path, hold shift bottom, and then, tap on the end of your path. It will draw a full straight line for you. Do it for all the fence. So after you finished, and brushed all, you can turn this layer off. Select your main layer. Hold Ctrl key, and click on the screen part of brushed layer. As you can see, all the fence is selected now. Open the edit menu. If you are using old version of Photoshop, you need to choose fill bottom. If you are not, I suggest you to choose content aware fill directly. Press OK. Press Ctrl D. As you can see, all the fence is removed. And every parts that we brushed are completely rebuilt and replaced nicely. As you can see, we removed the fences nicely, but sometimes some wrong replacing and cropping may happen, that causes damage or destroying some areas of the image. For fixing this problem we need to use healing tools. For example, for simple areas, like small wrong lines, you can use spot healing brush, that it can fix them very easily. For some situations that the image is damaged more, and for example textures and patterns are messed up, you can use regular healing brush tool, to take sample with holding Alt key, and replacing them on the desired areas. If you saw that there is any area that it isn't replaced or didn't filled, you need to take a sample from similar part with clone stamp tool, and try to draw on unfilled areas. And always make sure to turn the sample all layers on, from the top menu. So after fixing all the areas and remake them, you can enhance your image look, with adding focus on the main subject. Make a new layer on top of the all layers, and with pressing Ctrl, Shift, Alt and E bottom you can have all your changes in one layer. Right-click on it and choose, Convert to Smart Object. Then, go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery, and choose Tilt Shift Blur. Here you can add some blur around of your subject to cover the filled areas, and also put the focus on your main subject. You can change the adjustment for your image to get the best result. Put the eyes in, and blur the rest. And also with field blur, you can choose the eyes, and blur the around. Here is the final result. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, because with your supports I will get more energy and I will make more cool videos for you. Thanks for watching.